Hi everyone, my name is Rochelle and today I'm going to be talking about a truly unique concept from Alpha H. It's called vitamin profiling. I like to think of it as my skin diet. This approach to lifestyle and aging recognizes that your skin's needs must be tailored to your day ahead. The genius thing about this skincare system is that you can write your own vitamin prescription. If I'm going to be outside, I'll apply vitamin C. If my skin feels dehydrated, I'll apply vitamin B. And the best bit is that each serum slots straight into your existing skincare routine. The Vitamin Profiling Collection gives you 4 ways to supercharge your skin, 4 vitamins with 4 specific uses. Let's have a look at what they are and what they do. Vitamin A is for anti-aging. This vitamin is the ultimate for repairing and renewing the skin and for maintaining good collagen and elastin. It's designed to be used in the evenings. Vitamin B is for building moisture. This is your hydration boost and maintenance vitamin. It also helps to soothe redness. It can be used day or night. Vitamin C is for clarity enhancing. This vitamin is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from environmental and free radical damage. It also helps shield the skin from ultraviolet light that is the leading cause of premature skin aging and pigmentation. It's recommended to be used in the morning. Vitamin E is for emergency repair. This is like first aid in a bottle. It helps reduce inflammation in the skin. It's great for sunburn or before and after procedures such as laser or dermapen. So, how do you use this product? Tilt your head back and directly place 1 drop of your chosen serum onto the forehead gently, working it into the skin. Follow this step for your cheeks, chin and nose, avoiding the delicate eye area. Follow with your preferred Alpha H SPF or nighttime moisturizer. Each vitamin profile collection comes with this brilliant navigational tool to help you self-prescribe your serums. So who can use it? Anyone can use this system and tailor their own prescription to suit their individual needs. Be sure to check out my other Alpha H reviews and tutorials, and for more information about Alpha H products, just head to alphah.com.